In woodworking, everything starts with a choice. The species, the grain direction, the way the light catches the surface. You make these choices before you ever pick up a tool. I've been thinking about that a lot lately, about how the decisions we make before we begin shape everything that comes after. And honestly, my channel needs a new set of decisions. The color you're seeing now, the old logo, the hot pink, it just isn't telling the story that I want to tell. So I did what any woodworker would do when something isn't working. I started over, from the wood up. Every project starts at the lumber rack. You're looking at grain direction, figure, color, trying to see what the wood wants to become. A logo works in much the same way. You're looking at shapes, proportions, what the design wants to communicate, before you ever commit to cutting a line or drawing a shape. I chose black walnut for this particular piece. Rich color, tight grain, takes to the laser engraving beautifully, just like choosing the right font or the right color palette. The material has to match the message. Then comes the prep work. In woodworking, we call it surfacing, or working through the grits, getting the wood ready to receive whatever comes next. In branding, that's the research, the sketches, and the iterations that you never show to anyone. There's something about a warm shop on a cold day. Makes my thinking clearer. That crackle and popping noise merge with my sketches and my thoughts. There's a nice parallel between the fireplace and the burning at the laser engraver. With this logo, it's about loading this piece of wood into the laser and pressing start. Either way, there's no undo button at this point. I've been laser engraving for years through my design and fabrication business, but watching your own logo burn into walnut for the very first time, that's a different feeling entirely. I can see now that I'm on the right track. Like any great woodworking project, you designed it, you chose the wood, you set the parameters, and now it's just you and the machine and all the years of learning to trust in the process. And then you clean it up, blow off the dust, and let the light find the grain. And you see it for the very first time for what it actually is. Simple, clean, and full of purpose. The hand plane, the saw, the chisel, the fundamentals of woodworking. Years of learning the craft, from tools to technology to design, in one mark burned into black walnut. The new logo, the new banner, the new color palette. It took me one day, one piece of beautiful black walnut, and a laser engraver that I've had for years. But really, it took years to know what I was trying to say. The primary purpose of this channel is not revenue, it's knowledge transfer. This channel is for people who want to start woodworking at 50, or 55, or 62, or 42. Basically people who are looking for a teacher that isn't trying to sell them something. No affiliate links, no tool sponsors, just honest experience and advice from someone who's been in the woodshop probably longer than a lot of YouTube channels have existed. Change is good. Change is growth, especially when you're building something new that you designed and built yourself from scratch with your own hands and your own tools. Till next time, friends, peace, love, and sawdust. Now go make something.